Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
The cat runs across the street. She goes to the store every day. I play tennis every Sunday morning. They had already finished dinner when I arrived. The train leaves at 8 a.m. every day. She had already started studying when her friends called. We have known each other since we were children. By this time tomorrow, they will finish the project. John caught the bus when it started raining. She has been studying English for 5 years now. By the time you arrive, I will finish the cooking. He applied for the job for 2 years before he got it. They had already started the party before you arrived. By next year, they have been living in this city for 10 years. When I arrived, she was watching TV.
Thanks for watching.